What's up guys, it's Rachel and today I am at a park. I came to this beautiful park. This place is called 북서울꿈의숲 and it's at the north side of Seoul. There are deers here. Ah, so cute. 안녕. Hi. Oh, you're sleepy. Okay, how about you? They are not paying any attention to me at all. You're cute. You're staring right into the camera. 아이 예뻐. 맛있어? 뭐 먹어? 대답하기 싫어? Today I'm here with my mom and we're gonna have a little date here. It's gonna be a fun picnic day in the middle of Seoul. And they say it's one of the biggest parks in Seoul. And which is surprising because I've never been here. Look how big the park is. We got here pretty easy because I drove here. But I know this park is pretty close to Seokgae station. And also you can transfer to bus to get here. This place is called Changgyang 미궁제사. 여기가 공원 안에 있는데 문화재로 등록이 돼 있지. I mean, this is how our ancestors used to live. They kind of recreated their lifestyle in the middle of the park. Welcome to the History Garden. This is the bamboo forest. Nothing special, just bamboos. I had so much fun here. So we are here now. And we just went to Changgyang 미궁제사 and now we're just gonna go around the park. I wanna go to the observatory here. Well, this is the place where they filmed the K-drama Iris back in the days. I know that is a very old K-drama that I haven't watched even to this day, but I know that was pretty popular back then. I see the observatory right there. So, I guess I need to climb this uphill to get there. Alright, let's do this. Okay, we got here. There is an elevator. Thank God that there is an elevator. Because it was challenging to get here. Okay, behind me, there's the elevator that we are getting on. It's coming down very slowly, but surely it's coming. Alright. Wow! 진짜 시원해. 3층 observatory entrance. Alright, we are moving now. It's really cool in here. 무서워. There is the observatory now. It looks much closer now. Oh, we are going up pretty high now. Ooh, and this is what I was talking about before. The cast of the K-drama Iris. There's 이병헌, 배용준.
정준호.
아, 정준호. 배우준 다르게 나와서
정준호.
살짝 비슷한데? Ooh. Wow, this is so pretty.
날씨가 맑았으면 더 깨끗해 보였을 건데요. 산 같은 게, 그치?
북한산이랑 동해산이랑 하루에 가는 사람들이 바로 붙어 있으니까. There it is. Came to the rooftop. 막상 오니까 시원해. 다 보여. 서울 다 보인다. 저쪽, 우와, 저쪽 봐. 아까 봤던 산들 다 보인다. 저기 쫙 북한산이랑 We came to 월영지, and this place is so peaceful. 저기 폭포도 있다. Alright, now we are on our way back to the parking lot. We had so much fun at the park. It was my mom and I's first time to this dream forest, and we are definitely willing to come back because this park is amazing. It has everything. Also, I feel like there are still a bunch of like hidden spots that I need to come back and visit one day. I highly recommend you to visit here as well. Ooh, there's the house that we first saw. It's good to be back. Okay, but that is it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Love you and goodbye.